many meals did you eat yesterday? However you answered the above question, chances are that you actually ate far more frequently than you recall. The majority of us now pack several mini meals into our each day. And the longer we stay up, the more calories we consume. The scientists speculated that the best way to cut down on calorie intake might be simply to get more sleep. So they asked people who ate over the course of 14 hours each day to cut their grazing times to no more than 11 hours a day and to sleep more of the time. Here are science-backed suggestions to lose while you snooze. And while you're awake, make sure you're trying out these best healthy cooking hacks of all time to keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Number 1. Skip the chocolate. Don't get us wrong. We love chocolate. In fact, any bar that contain at least 70% cacao is one of our favorite low-sugar snacks or dessert because of its high concentration of antioxidant and stress-busting abilities. Unfortunately, if eaten too late, that chocolate could be the reason you can't fall asleep. Dark chocolate contains caffeine. About 40 to 50 milligrams of caffeine per 40-gram serving, according to consumer lab testing, which can prevent your body from shutting down when you want it to, if you're sensitive to the compound. Chocolate bars have varying amounts of caffeine, but an average 2-ounce, 70% dark chocolate bar contains around 79 milligrams. For reference, an 8-ounce cup of coffee contains around 145 milligrams. For a different late-night indulgence, try these filling, guilt-free best snacks for weight loss. Number 2. Take a hot shower. A hot shower is great for ensuring a good night's sleep because it can help relieve tension and relax sore muscles. Additionally, it can increase the level of oxytocin, a love hormone released by your brain, which can be very soothing. The heat from the shower also gives your body temperature a lift, resulting in a quick drop in temp when you get out and towel off. A dip that helps relax your entire system. A hot bath will also have the same effect. Number 3. Turn off the TV. Did you know lean people watch less TV? A recent analysis found that for every 2 hours spent watching TV, the risk of developing diabetes, developing heart disease, and early death increased by 20, 15 and 13%, respectively. Scientists are still figuring out exactly why sitting is so detrimental to health. But one obvious and partial explanation is that the less we move, the less fuel we require. The surplus blood sugar floods the bloodstream and contributes to diabetes and other weight-related risks. Number 4. Hide the iPad. Research suggests that the more electronics we bring into the bedroom, the fatter we get, especially among children. That kids who bask in the nighttime glow of a TV or computer don't get enough rest and suffer from poor lifestyle habits. Researchers found that students with access to one electronic device were 1.47 times as likely to be overweight as kids with no devices in the bedroom. That increased to 2.57 times for kids with 3 devices. Bottom line: leave your iPad in the living room. Your spouse might thank you. Number 5. Throw out the night light. Exposure to light at night doesn't just interrupt your chances of a great night's sleep, it may also result in weight gain. Study subjects who slept in the darkest rooms were 21% less likely to be obese than those sleeping in the lightest rooms. Number 6. Let in the cold. A striking new study that simply blasting the air conditioner or turning down the heat in winter may help us attack belly fat while we sleep. Colder temperatures subtly enhance the effectiveness of our stores of brown fat. Fat keeps you warm by helping you burn through the fat stored in your belly. Participants spent a few weeks sleeping in bedrooms with varying temperatures: a neutral 75 degrees, a cool 66 degrees, and a balmy 81 degrees. After 4 weeks of sleeping at 66 degrees, the subjects had almost doubled their volumes of brown fat. Number 7. Relax with breathing, meditation, or stretching. Striking some poses before bed can have a powerful influence on sleep quality because of yoga's focus on breathing and meditation. Yoga offers a variety of benefits, from increased flexibility and strength to a calmer mind. It can calm the nervous system, release the shoulders and neck, and, most importantly, allows you to focus inward, block out stress and relax. Number 8. Try your sleep switch. Don't count sheep, eat lamb. Or better yet, a bit of turkey. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in most meats, has demonstrated powerful sleep-inducing effects. Any tryptophan-containing food, which includes nuts, chicken, fish, lentils, and eggs, can help usher in sleepyhead syndrome. If you're the type who can't sleep on an empty stomach, a healthy source of fat like avocado or nut butter can help stave off hunger, while providing restorative properties. Number 9. Schedule tea time. There is something about the ritual of sitting down to a soothing cup of tea that tells your brain to slow down and relax. Some of the best teas for sleep are chamomile, peppermint, lavender, and valerian, which actually does have some sedative properties. Number 10. Eat whole grains at lunch. You know to avoid big meals, coffee, colas, and alcohol before bed, but did you know that it's best to eat your complex carbohydrates at lunchtime, not with dinner? Serotonin converts to melatonin in your stage 3 REM sleep, and serotonin is sourced from whole grain complex carbohydrates. So you don't need to have carbs before bed to sleep, just have them at some point through the day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.